Hello and welcome. For recipes and instructions, see page below. Tender golden roasted chicken breast served over buttery, creamy mashed potatoes. This rustic recipe is all about comfort and flavor. The chicken is marinated with garlic, herbs, and a splash of red wine vinegar, then seared to crispy perfection and finished in the oven. Paired with smooth mashed golden potatoes, it's a simple yet elegant dish that's perfect for a cozy dinner at home. Instructions. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix chopped garlic, salt, black pepper, vinegar, olive oil, basil, and rosemary. Coat the chicken breast, cover, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Prepare the potatoes. Boil the potatoes in a medium pot of water for about 50 minutes until tender. Peel while warm, use gloves to avoid burns. Mash until smooth, then mix in butter and white pepper. Stir in heavy cream until creamy. Season with salt to taste. Set aside. Cook the chicken. Heat peanut oil or any oil of your choice. Make sure is resistant to heat in a skillet over low-medium heat. Remove garlic from chicken, then place chicken skin side down. Cook for about 5 minutes until golden. Flip and cook the other side for 5 minutes. Cover with a lid to prevent oil splatter. Finish in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 7 more minutes to lock in flavor and cook through. Plate and serve. Scoop creamy mashed potatoes onto a plate. Place roasted chicken breast on top. Garnish with fresh herbs. Serve warm.